मैंने तुमसे कभी कुछ नहीं कहा। I never said anything to you. I never said anything to you. मुझे दोनों पसंद है। I like both. I like both. क्या हुआ तुझे? What happened to you? What happened to you? बहुत दिनों बाद मिलती है। See you after a long time. See you after a long time. उसे देखकर अच्छा लगा। Nice to see him. Nice to see him. क्या मुझे अच्छा लगता है? Do I like good? Do I like good? मुझे घर छोड़ दो। Drop me home. Drop me home. तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Where is your home? Where is your home? आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name? What's your name? आपको किससे बात करनी है? Whom you have to talk to? Whom you have to talk to? तुम कब आई? When did you come? When did you come? क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? आपको मेरा नंबर कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get my number from? Where did you get my number from? तुम कहाँ रहती हो? Where do you live? Where do you live? आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? अब क्या ढूंढ रही है? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? आप क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं उसकी जैसा नहीं हूँ। I am not like that. I am not like that. जैसा तुम मेरी बारे में सोचते हो। As you think of me. As you think of me. आपने इसे कहाँ से लिया? Where did you get it from? Where did you get it from? मुझे इस मामले में शामिल ना करे। Don't involve me in this matter. Don't involve me in this matter. आज छुट्टी है। Today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. क्या आपको अपना वादा याद है? Do you remember your promise? Do you remember your promise? उसने वास्तव में क्या कहा? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? मैं यह विशेष रूप से आपसे मिलने आया हूँ. I came here especially to meet you. I came here especially to meet you. मुझे रोज हिचकी आती है. I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. बिना देर किए. Without delay. Without delay. योजना बनाना. Make a plan. Make a plan. इसके लिए जगह बनाए. Make a room for it. Make a room for it. आप सही हो सकती है. You may be right. You may be right. आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? ये रहा आपका बैग. Here is your bag. Here is your bag. ये बिल्कुल गलत है. It's absolutely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. मैं अपनी गलती मानता हूँ. I admit my mistake. I admit my mistake. इस शपथ ताई. Come this way. Come this way. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? तुम थकी हुई लग रही हो. You look tired. You look tired. वो चीजों को बड़ो शौक से करती है. She does things with great passion. She does things with great passion. लालची मत बनो. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. ये मेरा अंतिम निर्णय है. It's my final decision. It's my final decision. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. उसी मेरे पास भेज दो. Send him to me. Send him to me. आपको पता है कि. You know what? You know what? वो रास्ते में है. He is on the way. He is on the way. बिल्कुल चिंता ना करे. Don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. खाली मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. मैं क्या करूँ? What do I do? What do I do? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I don't know. आपका दिन अच्छा हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. पैसे मैं दूंगा. I will pay. I will pay. मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this. I don't want this. इसी बाहर ले जाओ. take it outside, take it outside.